we're going to look into an in-depth review of the Tobu Sunika Levitating sneaker display, as you can see here. We're going to look inside what's in the box, and we're going to test out a few other shoes and see what they look like floating or not floating. But before we do that, I just have to put out a disclaimer out here that, you know, this video is not sponsored by Tobu Sunika. I had to actually purchase this out of pocket, like everyone else. I ordered this back in end of July, and it took a few months to get here, and it finally arrived first week in November. We'll talk about that a little bit further in the video, but first, you know, we're going to look into what's inside the box, what shoes could float, and if you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button below, like, comment, and share. And also, I did an unboxing of this a couple weeks ago, so I'll also link a video in the description box below. Okay guys, let's go see what's inside the box. Alright guys, I got it out of the box. You can see here you have your weigh scale here, your power adapter, your foam assistant, your magnet, you have your shoe tree, and you have your extra weights here, and then you can see the actual display. And if you focus a little bit, you can actually see in white like the Tobu Sunika logo like printed on. Alright, that's all the stuff inside the box. Let's see some shoes. Alright, so I got the weigh scale here. I'm gonna go weigh one of the shoes and show you how much they weigh as an example. I'm gonna take out the Yeezy Waverunner. You can see it here. And just lay it on the weigh scale. So it weighs 454 grams. So we gotta get it up to 500. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab a couple of balls and we'll weigh it again. Alright you guys, I got I think 3 balls in there. So let's weigh it again. Alright, that's perfect. So we're going to go ahead and mount it onto the display. Alright you guys, you're seeing the Waverunner mounted on there. Give you a closer look. Alright, perfectly mounted. And there is a fan right over there that keeps the shoe rotating. Alright guys, here are the 3 Air Jordans I'm gonna go ahead and test out. Alright guys, I'm gonna weigh another shoe here. It's gonna be my Air Jordan 11 Breds, the 2012. There we go. So it weighs in at 518. So that should be perfect. So we're gonna go try it on the display. Okay, and then we're gonna weigh the Jordan 4 Breds, the 2019s. So it's a 572. That is with the insoles. So that should be fine. Alright, let's go see. Okay, so we're gonna weigh one more shoe, another shoe here. It'll be the Air Jordan 6 Infrareds, the 2019s. This one's a little bit heavy. I think I have a shoe tree in there, so let me take that out. Okay, so I did have a shoe tree in my Air Jordan 6 Infrared. Let's go ahead and weigh it again. It is on the heavy side. This should float, so we'll see. guys, is the Tobu Sunika levitating sneaker display worth it? That's really subjective. You know, this is something that you want, but you don't definitely need it. It is, you know, it has this wow, awesome factor to it. It's really up to you guys. If it's within your budget, if you have it, you know, display it in your man cave, or some sneaker room, or in your closet, or some sort of just display to just basically have your, like, let's say a pair of grails or any shoes that you want to show off. You know, this is definitely like a head turner, something that people would gravitate to when you have it in your house or a closet or your sneaker room, or pretty much wherever you put this into. The next thing, you know, I've been getting a lot of DMs about it, is about Tobu Sunika. I'm just going to talk about my experience with this company. At first, like I mentioned earlier, I did order this back in July, and it finally arrived in first week in November. And within those 3 or 4 months, I sent a couple of emails checking on the status of the shipment and so on. And at first, the first 2 emails I sent, you know, they were responsive. And finally, at like beginning of October or middle of October, you know, sending emails, and as a customer, you know, you always want some sort of response back from a company. I did finally get a response, you know, letting me know that it's being shipped out, but nothing else. So my experience is kind of like, I'm kind of weary in regards to dealing with Tobu Sunika, and you know, the DMs that I get and the messages that I've gotten from my previous video regarding this have been pretty much the same. Some have been still waiting on their shipment, others getting issues with their products. You know, I can't say for certain regarding those, because you know, I could only comment on what my experience. As you can see, you know, I've had this for almost a month now. Every now and then, I do turn it on, just see how, you know, the shoe is. So, at the end of the day, you know, is it really worth it? Again, it's something, you know, you could budget for. And, you know, if you're in the sneaker game, and this is definitely something, you know, you would look into. I would definitely look into like different companies that do offer something similar to this. So Tobu Sunika is not the only company that offers this, but you know, this is just my review. You know, this is just, you know, my personal experience. You know, everyone's experience is going to be different. Let me know. Comment down below, DM me, tell me your experience, and so we can share, and you know, we could let people know. Okay. Again, you know, if you guys like this content, you know, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, click the like button, comment below, let me know, you know, what I could do to improve. You know, I would like to churn out this, you know, content like this every week. Try to do more. Kind of encourage me to do that. Let me know. Okay, guys. Until the next video. This is JB. See you.